a cozy little house lived a sweet girl who was afraid of the dark. Every night when her mama turned off the lights, Luna's heart would beat faster with fear. But Mama smiled softly and whispered, "Luna, you are never alone."
A guardian angel? Luna asked. Where is she? Can I see her?
"Close your eyes and believe, my darling." Luna squeezed her eyes shut tight and whispered, "Please let me see my angel, please." Suddenly, a warm, golden light filled the room, that Luna could feel it even with her eyes closed.
Hello, Luna. I am Celestia, your guardian angel.
You've been watching over me?
Always, little one. Always.
When their hands touched, Luna felt all her fears melt away like ice cream in the sun.
Every child has a guardian angel. We are given to you before you're even born.
But what about the scary things? Luna asked, pointing toward the shadows in the corner of her room. The shadows crept closer, trying to frighten Luna, but Celestia spread her magnificent wings wide. "See?" Celestia said softly. "The shadows have no power when your guardian angel is near."
But what if you're not here?
I am always with you.
"But what if you're not here?" Luna asked. Celestia smiled and touched Luna's heart gently. "Whenever you're afraid, just remember, I am with you." Celestia began to sing a lullaby so beautiful that Luna's eyes drifted closed, peaceful and unafraid.
I met Celestia,
Mama
my
smiled
guardian
and nodded
angel.
knowingly. "I told you, sweet girl, your angel has been with you since before you were born." "But Mama, what if I forget she's there?" Luna asked. Mama placed Luna's hand over her own heart. That day and every day after, Luna played and laughed without fear, knowing Celestia's wings sheltered her always. That night when Mama tucked her in, Luna wasn't afraid. She knew what the darkness held, not monsters, but an angel. And all around the world, in every home, on every street, guardian angels stood watch over every precious child. So close your eyes, little one, and sleep without fear. Your guardian angel is with you.